Hi, and welcome to the second lesson of Introduction to Viral Marketing. In this video, we're going to talk about getting a buzz on, and I'm not sure if you have noticed or not, but viral marketing has matured quite a bit over the past few years. There seems to have been a shift on the web. It's not just being used by big companies to run their ad campaigns anymore. It's being used by small businesses and even individuals to create a buzz before a new product even hits the market. Have you ever noticed that before a movie is released, you will see clips and trailers which are used to generate excitement and activity before the movie hits the theaters? Well, that's called buzz. Plain and simple, buzz works. Just like it works for the movies and big businesses, it can work for small and startup businesses as well. Now, the planning stage of viral marketing campaigns will set out objectives and develop the viral theme for a buzz. There are three core components to any viral campaign, and businesses of any size can use them. They are number one, the creative content. The message you want to spread should be in a digital format, image, video, text, etc., as we discussed in the first video. And the trick is to put together something that people will want to share with their family, their friends, and coworkers. Now, keep in mind when you're creating your content that people are much more eager to share something that is fun, entertaining, or informative. And number two, seeding. This is the process of distributing and placing the creative content online in places that will provide the greatest potential for sharing in order to create awareness of your marketing message. These can include video, articles, images, and other types of sharing sites. Third is tracking. It is absolutely vital that you know what is and what is not working. You see, the only way to get that information is to track the results from your seeding. You must measure the spread of the campaign to provide accountability and to improve effectiveness. Creating a buzz is a very cost-effective way to market your business. You can actually create a buzz about your own product, service, or in your niche market with little or no money. And it is easier than ever before, especially with all of these social networking and sharing sites available today. You want to combine it with other viral marketing methods, and it is also a great way to build incoming links and get traffic coming to your website quickly. There's definitely some science involved in creating a successful buzz, but this technique is here to stay, and if used strategically, it can make a huge difference in the success of your business. So just take some time and create a solid viral marketing plan using the steps we have discussed. It won't be long before you actually get your buzz on. That's it for this lesson. In your final video, we will be talking about how to use online forums to quickly boost the effectiveness of your viral campaign and explore the possibilities of starting a mobile viral marketing campaign. Hi, and welcome to the third lesson of Introduction to Viral Marketing. In this final video lesson, we are going to briefly go over how you can use online forums to boost the effectiveness of your viral marketing campaign and explore the possibilities of starting a mobile viral marketing campaign. Now, let's start off with using online forums as a part of your viral marketing campaign. You see, online forums are a great way to boost the effectiveness of any marketing campaign. And when combined with viral marketing methods, it only increases your chances of success simply because you can quickly target your market and reach them with your message. Now, in order to be effective, this kind of marketing carries a certain degree of commitment, responsibility, and respect. Now, the first requirement is to take a personal interest in the main topic of the forum. That means visiting regularly and building a good relationship with both other members and the moderators, as well as taking an active interest in helping others. As a marketer, you must respect that the purpose of a forum is to exchange ideas on a given topic. It's not really to advertise products and services, because by focusing on a topic and posting questions and answers, your reputation will grow, and this naturally creates the potential for sales. Now, let's go over how you can take your viral marketing campaign mobile. Now, when I say mobile, I'm talking about mobile phones or mobile devices. Mobile devices are one of the last great frontiers of viral advertising opportunities. However, knowing the idea of unwanted advertising streaming through our cell phones is mobile devices are an ultimate opt-in medium, and therefore a great way for businesses to connect with customers in a whole new way. Now, you might have the question, how should marketers approach this medium? Well, with this medium, there are different types and different ways to achieve your goals without upsetting your prospects. Let's talk about offering exclusive content. Anyone can offer ringtones. It's the unique content that piques interest and sends them to other media like your email campaigns, newsletters, websites, videos, etc. A wireless campaign will be most effective when you offer exclusive content to your wireless subscribers, and you want to make it useful and timely. I want you to think about what would be handy and helpful to have on a mobile device. Well, last year, for example, Food Network enabled Sprint customers to download shopping lists for their Thanksgiving dinners. How can you apply that idea to your business? Think about it. A text usually takes priority over almost any form of communication. Why? Because we haven't yet been saturated with mobile spam. And this causes us to prioritize text messaging over voice. You see, mobile marketing has been around for a while, but it is still new territory to explore. And that is why I did not want to conclude this course without at least mentioning it. As you plan your campaign, keep in mind that a good viral marketing strategy takes advantage of common human motivations like greed, hunger, love, popularity, and understanding, just to name a few. If you can design a viral strategy that builds upon these motivations and behaviors, you will have a winner. Now, we have come to the end of this short video course, and while I have done my best to give you a brief introduction to viral marketing, there are still many techniques and strategies that you may want to learn if you want to start your own successful viral marketing campaigns. So do your research and start making your plan right away. Good luck with all your viral marketing campaigns.